Okay, let's learn how to create a database using Access. The first step is to open Access, obviously. From there, click New, Blank Database, and then give your database a name. Once you're done that, go ahead and click on Create. Now, the next step is to create your tables. Think of tables as being roughly equivalent to lists from Excel. When you create your table, the first thing you need to do is create the column headings for your table, which are known as fields in Access. To do this, in the upper left-hand corner, click View, Design View, and at the prompt, give your table a name. Now, where it reads ID, this is known as the primary key, and all it does is gives the rows in your table a unique number. In this case, let's rename it to Customer ID, since it fits the theme of the table. Now, to create your first field, just click in the row and type the name you want your field to have. Important note, when creating fields, it's a good idea to break them into the smallest possible parts because it makes your data easier to work with. For example, you would not want to use a field called full name, rather break it into first and last name. So let's go ahead and type out first_name. And the next step is to tell Access how to store your data, otherwise known as assigning the data type. And what that really means is you're going to tell Access to store your data as text, numbers, currency, date and time, etc. And in case it helps, a very general guideline is the most common data types you'll encounter is going to be text and numbers. So we'll store our first field as text. From there, it's just a matter of typing out the rest of your fields and assigning the appropriate data types. Once you've completed that task, you want to save your table, and then go up and click on where it says View, Datasheet View. Your screen will now look Excel-ish, and from this point, all you need to do is type out your rows of data. And congratulations, you've just made your first database along with your first table in Access. Now, before you go, by chance you want to learn more about Access, there's a quick start video on the main channel if you care to watch. If you like this video, please feel free to share it and make sure to follow for more tips.